Well, if you are ready to say goodbye to summer and welcome a little fall flair into your home.
So our partners at Better Homes and Gardens have an easy DIY that you can do in no time, and it only needs a few supplies.
Here's how to create a festive fall wreath in 20 minutes or less. You'll need a twig wreath, floral embellishments like leaves and acorns, clear drying crafts glue, scissors, and copper-colored metallic spray paint. Glue a few leaves around the wreath, tucking some under the twigs. When the glue is dry, lightly spray the entire wreath with copper-colored metallic spray paint. This tones down the contrast of the leaves and adds a little shimmer to your wreath. Add acorns, berries, and other fall elements to decorate your wreath. Glue anything that doesn't seem secure, and you'll have a natural fall wreath in no time. And you can use this method to make a wreath for any holiday. Just finding a twig wreath frame is very helpful, so it holds all your items intact.
Well, for more great tips, be sure to check out betterhomesandgardens.com.
And this may take away part of my man card, Belinda, but
Okay.
I find myself going out and looking at wreaths for my front door anymore after doing this show and doing the DIYs and seeing all of the different stylish people we have on here. I find myself looking at wreaths in stores.
Bill, you can rest assured your
okay?
man card is still
Okay.
intact. I would like to say that there is nothing like a wreath that really welcomes people in.
Yeah.
And man, I think we can get some like Mod Podge and some acorns and leaves and make that in no time.
It's not a good DIY segment without Mod Podge.
I mean, you got to go with it.
You got to go with it. That's right.